students, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Number Nexus. Class, have you ever noticed how certain things in our life follow a specific pattern, like the steps of staircase, or how bus arrives at regular intervals? What if I told you that these are all the examples of arithmetic progression? So, the first thing which comes in our mind is what is arithmetic progression? It's a sequence of a number in which the difference between every two consecutive terms is same, and that difference we called it as a common difference. Simple. For example, in this sequence 2, 5, 8, 11, the common difference is 3. It's like just taking a step forward. But how do you describe arithmetic progression? Well, it's a pretty simple. The general form of arithmetic progression is A plus B, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. Here, in the above sequence, that is in the above general form, A is the first term and D is the common difference. Here, every term is formed by adding multiples of D to A. Let's break it down. Now, what if I ask you that we have to find the 10th term of the sequence? So, are you going to add 3 again and again? No. Here is a smarter way. The nth term of the arithmetic progression is given by an, and the formula for an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula helps you to find nth term of any array. Let's test it out. Suppose we are having first term is 2 and the common difference is 3. We have to find the 10th term of the sequence. Then what will be the 10th term? So the formula is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. We are having a as 2 and d as 3. Then n is equals to 10. Then the formula will an is equals to 2 plus 10 minus 1 into d. That is 2 plus 27. That is 29. Therefore, the 10th term of the sequence is 29. So students, now we are going to take a real life example. Imagine you are saving 50 rupees in a week. Hence, that is 50 rupees in first week, 70 in the second, and 90 rupees in the third week, and so on. This is an example of arithmetic progression with a is equals to 50 and common difference is 20. Now we have to calculate how much money you are going to save in the 10th week. So here n is equals to 10. We have to calculate a 10 is equals to 50 plus 10 minus 1 into 20. That is 50 plus 9 into 20. That is 50 plus 180. That is 230. So in 10th week, we are going to save 230 rupees. So students, now we are going to deal with sum of n terms of AP. Here's the challenge. What if I tell you to find how much money you are going to save by the 10th week? In the above example, we know we are having first term as A 50, D is 20. Then to calculate the total amount, that is what we are going to save by 10th week, we are having a formula for sum of n terms. It is given by Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We are having a as 50, d as 20 and n as 10. So the formula will be S10 is equals to n by 2, that is 10 by 2 into 2a, that is 2 into 50 plus n minus 1 into d, that is 10 minus 1 into 20. So the next step will be S10 is equals to 10 by 2 into 2 into 50 plus 9 into 20. That is S10 is equals to 5 into 100 plus 180. That is S10 is equals to 5 into 280. That is S10 is equals to 1400. So by 10th week, the sum of money you are going to save will be 1400 rupees. Students, now we are going to deal with common difference. That is, common difference can be positive, can be negative, or 0. If the common difference is positive, we can say the sequence is growing. Otherwise, if the common difference is negative, we can say the sequence is decreasing. Or else, if the common difference is 0, we will say that the sequence is going to be constant. Alright students, now it's time for challenge. You have to calculate the 15th term of an AP, and the AP is 4, 7, 10, 30 and so on. You have to calculate 15th term. Comment below your answers. Okay. Students, that's it for today's lesson of arithmetic progression. We have learned how to calculate nth term, sum of nth term, and even explored some real life example. So, if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more maths coming in your way. So student, in the next session, we are going to deal with the exercise problem. Till then, stay tuned. Follow our Instagram channel also, The Number Nexus, so that you will be aware of what's happening on our YouTube channel. Thank you.